Bring beauty to your courtyard with flower bed decorating ideas. An inviting and beautiful flower bed can add a touch of color and charm to any private home's courtyard. This article will provide ideas for decorating a flower bed in a private home's courtyard, including tips on selecting flowers, arranging the bed, and maintaining the flowers. What are some ideas for decorating a flower bed in a private home's courtyard? Add a variety of colorful flowers and plants to the flower bed. Consider adding perennials, annuals, and shrubs to create a lush and vibrant look. Include a few ornamental trees or shrubs to provide a focal point for the flower bed. Add a trellis or arbor to the flower bed for a more formal look. Include a few statues, bird baths, or other garden ornaments to add interest to the flower bed. Add a few stepping stones or pathways to the flower bed for a more inviting look. Include a few benches or chairs in the flower bed to provide a place to sit and enjoy the view. Add a few hanging baskets with trailing plants to provide a vertical element to the flower bed. Include a few water features such as a fountain or pond to add a peaceful sound to the flower bed. Add a few container plants to the flower bed for a more modern look. How can I create a beautiful flower bed in my courtyard? Creating a beautiful flower bed in your courtyard can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you get started. Choose the right plants. Consider the amount of sunlight your courtyard gets and select plants that will thrive in those conditions. Also, think about the size and shape of your flower bed and select plants that will fit the space. Prepare the soil. Make sure the soil is well draining and nutrient rich. You can add compost or other organic matter to improve the soil. Plant your flowers. Plant your flowers in an organized pattern or design. Consider using a combination of colors and textures to create a visually appealing flower bed. Add mulch. Mulch helps to retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Water regularly. Make sure to water your flower bed regularly to keep the plants healthy and vibrant. Prune and deadhead. Prune your plants regularly to keep them looking neat and tidy. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage new blooms. Enjoy your flower bed. Sit back and enjoy the beauty of your flower bed. What type of plants should I use to create a flower bed? The type of plants you use to create a flower bed will depend on the climate and soil conditions in your area. Some popular plants for flower beds include annuals, perennials, shrubs, and ground covers. Consider the amount of sun and shade the area receives, as well as the soil type and drainage. You may also want to consider the colors and textures of the plants you choose to create a visually appealing flower bed. What is the best way to arrange the plants in a flower bed? best way to arrange the plants in a flower bed is to create a pleasing design that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Consider the size, shape, and color of the plants, as well as the amount of sunlight and water they need. Plant taller plants in the back and shorter plants in the front, and group plants with similar needs together. Consider adding a variety of textures and colors to create a visually interesting flower bed. How can I ensure that my flower bed will remain healthy? Choose the right plants for your climate and soil type. Plant in well-draining soil and in an area that gets plenty of sunlight. Water your plants regularly and deeply. Fertilize your plants regularly to ensure they get the nutrients they need. Prune and deadhead your plants to promote healthy growth. Remove weeds and pests as soon as you notice them. Mulch your flower bed to help retain moisture and keep weeds away. Rotate your plants every year to prevent disease and pest buildup. What type of soil should I use for a flower bed? The best type of soil for a flower bed is a well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. A good mix would be equal parts compost, peat moss, and topsoil. You may also want to add some sand or perlite to the mix to improve drainage. Make sure to mix the soil thoroughly before planting your flowers. What are some tips for maintaining a flower bed in a private home's courtyard? Choose plants that are suited to your climate and soil conditions. Prepare the soil before planting by adding organic matter such as compost or manure. Water regularly and deeply to encourage deep root growth. Mulch around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize the plants with a balanced fertilizer according to the package instructions. Prune plants regularly to promote healthy growth and flowering. Remove weeds as soon as they appear. Check for pests and diseases regularly and treat as necessary. Keep the area free of debris and dead leaves. In conclusion, decorating a flower bed in a private home's courtyard can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. With careful planning and creative ideas, you can create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space that will be enjoyed by all. With the right plants, soil, and design, you can create a unique and attractive flower bed that will add beauty and value to your home.